Alright, so you're curious about the stock market, but maybe it feels a little bit intimidating. Trust me, I was right there too. You hear the stories, people making a fortune, others losing everything. But what's really going on? Today, I'm busting the biggest myths about stocks and giving you the stock market 101 you actually need. Let's jump right in. First myth, the stock market is just like gambling. Nope, here's the deal. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of a real company. It's not spinning a roulette wheel, it's more like owning a slice of your favorite pizza place and sharing in their profits. Of course, there's risk. Companies can go up or down, but with research and time, you shift the odds in your favor. Myth number 2, you need a lot of money to get started. False. These days, with apps and fractional shares, you can literally start with $5. The important part is to start small and learn as you go. Even the pros started somewhere. Myth number 3, you have to be glued to your screen all day, trading every second. Not true. Most successful investors, they buy and hold. Think years, not minutes. It's about patience, not speed. So how does the stock market actually work? Imagine a giant farmer's market. But instead of fruits and veggies, it's companies for sale. You have buyers, you have sellers, and the prices go up and down depending on what people are willing to pay. The more folks want a stock, the higher it goes. If people are selling, it drops. Here's a quick checklist to get you started. First, open a brokerage account with a trusted platform. Do your homework. Learn about companies you actually believe in. And then, start small. Don't put in money you can't afford to lose. Think of it as a long-term game, not a get-rich-quick scheme. One more myth. You have to be a math genius to do well in the market. Not even close. Some of the best investors in history just followed simple rules, like buying good companies and holding them for a long time. You don't need to predict every move, just have a plan and stick to it. And remember, nobody gets it perfect every time. The market goes up, it goes down, but over the long run, it's grown faster than almost any other investment. The key? Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't let fear or hype drive your decisions. So if you're ready, take that first step. It's not about being perfect, it's about getting started. Because the stock market isn't just for Wall Street, it's for everyone, including you. Thanks for watching. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below, and hit that subscribe for more no-nonsense guides.